Hi everyone, this is Marcelina at cashewgreens.com. Here I am inside the greenhouse with a temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So today we're going to finish the last video series on jade plant. But before we continue this video, I would like to say Merry Christmas to all of you. Merry Christmas guys, especially to all of my families, relatives and friends in the Philippines. Merry Christmas. I wish I am there with you to celebrate the holiday. So today we will be learning on how to make money growing jade plant. So let's get started and see me on the other side.
If you like this video and would like to see more advanced gardening videos, please like, share, and subscribe now, and don't forget to ring the bell. Subscribing is totally free.
Okay, so our jade plant is taken care of. So we transfer them in the bigger pot. Now we're going to put this one. I'm going to put this in indoor. So I will bring this one inside the house. So this is the jade, also known as lucky plant or money tree. So today we're going to be learning about how to make money growing this plant. So let's get started. Alright, so we transfer our jade plant from a smaller pot to a bigger pot. We want our plant to grow a little bit taller and bigger. Now, jade plant is also known as the lucky plant or money tree. So let's get lucky and make money with our tree. Now, there are 6 common areas, guys, to market your jade plant. And I'm going to share that with you because this is the areas that I use to market my own plants. Now, the first area areas is the Facebook. So if you have a lot of friends, some of you have 1,000 friends, so contact your friends and go through all your friends and host friends who enjoy growing plants, and maybe some of those friends want your jade plant, and then you give them call them in a messenger or call them in the phone and said, hey, you know, I have this jade plant, I'm selling this jade plant, and would you be interested? So those are the places. Then the second one is the Craigslist. So I put my plants on Craigslist. Sometimes I do a lot in Craigslist, and for those of you who don't like Craigslist, I think you should consider one of your area to market your plants. And then the third one is YouTube. So YouTube is one of the best, for me it's one of the best area to share your plants. So you can create a YouTube channel. I created my YouTube channel earlier, so I just started, and the purpose of my channel in YouTube is that to educate people. I want to share my passion because I enjoy plants, and to educate them on how to grow, how to farm in the most easy ways. So it's an advanced gardening channel, and also teaching them how to be creative, like doing this cloning machine. So I share it with them on how to build your own cloning machine, and also how to sell plants. So that's why I always I'm sharing you today on how to sell your plants. So another area you can promote your plants is Etsy. So you can create an account on Etsy. You might pay a small amount of dollar to, you know, to put your store on Etsy. And Etsy is a good place, and there's so many people using Etsy, so you can sell plants on Etsy. You just have to create an account. So the other one is the the eBay. eBay is one of the other areas where you can, majority of your plants would be on eBay. I've been on eBay for 30 years, so that is my major area where I sell my products. So the last and for all, one of the important selling the products is your website. I would recommend you guys, if you're gonna do any kind of product that you are going to sell, and you might be doing something, but as I mentioned, create your own website. So if you want to grow jade and specialize this plant and want to make this for a living, then you have to create your own website. That would be, I would recommend, because the website is the center of your business. So all of those areas like the YouTube and some Facebook, you do those areas to traffic into your website. So the website is your main area to sell your plants. And I hope I mentioned everything. So if you have any question, please comment below. And I hope I help you with all of this selling plants and how to make money for what you grow. As I mentioned earlier on my previous video, specialize your plants. And see you next week, guys, and adios. Bye-bye.